How to use Yotpo with Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how we can do so. Now I'm going to show you how to install it and also how to set it up on Shopify. And then you can just feel free to import your reviews from the source that you have. So let's just go and get started. So first, to install it, you just want to go ahead and go to apps. Go to the Shopify App Store. From down here, click on Shopify App Store. And we basically just want to search for Yotpo. So let's just go and wait for this to load and just type in Yotpo like so. And we should find Yotpo reviews. So Yotpo product reviews and UGC. So this is the one that we're going to be using. So just go ahead and click on that and click on install once you are happy with it. Or I should say once you actually find it, but yeah. And then we can just go ahead and confirm the installation one more time. From down here, and let's just wait for it. Now as this is loading here for us, you can also check out the pricing plans that they have here, the free one, the start, and the pro. Feel free to compare yourself. Just get to this page, the actual app page. You'll see all the different pricing options that they have. So once this is done, we can just go ahead and create our account if you don't have one, or you can just go ahead and log in with your email and password for Yotpo. Okay, so once you log in or create your account, you just want to click on get started, and then we can just start our setup. So once this opens up, I'm not sure why it's a little bit laggy this time, but yeah, let's just wait for a little bit more. Okay, so here you are just going to go ahead and design your brand kit, the star colors, the font colors, and so on. So basically the actual review widget, how it's actually going to look like. Feel free to design it however you like. I'm just going to skip the design aspect of things, but you get the idea. You just want to upload your logo, select a proper template, an email template, and so on. Now there are going to be a few things that you will need to pay attention to, like the sender name. You'd want to obviously change that. And like they say, you will need to match your brand voice when you actually type something in your email. So your messages, your subjects, just make sure you're, you have that, they call it a brand voice, you speak in a specific way and so on. So you can actually see you have formal, casual, extended, and so on. So I'm just going to go with the normal one and click on continue or next. And once you're done with this, we are pretty much good to go. We can just go ahead and install our actual widget here. So to do so, it's very simple. You just want to go to your online store, just go to customize, and go to wherever you actually want to add your reviews. So I'm just going to go for the default products page, and we are just going to pretty much add a section, and we're just going to go to apps from the top here, and you will find reviews widget and also star ratings. So I'm just going to add these star ratings real quick. And we will need to ensure that the app is enabled from app embeds. So just go ahead and make sure these are turned on. And we're pretty much good to go. Now we can also add the other one as well. So let's just go to add sections, reviews widget. And we're pretty much good to go. So obviously we don't really have any reviews to show here, but yeah, you get the idea. And we're pretty much set, so people can actually review our products, and we can also import our reviews from back here. If you just go to apps, let's just exit out of here. We can just go to apps, Yotpo product reviews, and we can actually import our reviews from the app in here. So hopefully you found this video to be informative, and thanks for watching.